created Drinks with Dannie as a fun and lighthearted place for everyone. But as a Black woman, I have to acknowledge the pain, the anger, the suffering that's happening right now in my community. George Floyd was killed at the hands of the police right there in front of everyone. I'm sure you've seen the videos by now. And that's why it's our responsibility to speak up and speak out about these injustices. No matter if you're leading marches or speaking up on your social media platforms, it's our duty, our responsibility to speak out, keep the pressure on, and continue the conversation. Rest in peace to George Floyd, and rest in peace to all the victims who have died at the hands of the police.
Damn right, it's better than yours. It's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge.
Alright guys, I got something super light, super refreshing, and something you can sip on all summer long. I've got my Titos Cucumber Mint Cocktail. So first things first, you'll need a tall glass like this, and you're going to need your Titos or whatever vodka you like. Titos I love using because you can barely taste it. So I have my mint leaves. If you guys still have your mint leaves left over from the last drink, then here you go. I just love mint over the summer. It's just so refreshing and so tasty. Also, you'll need a cucumber. You don't need a full one like the one I have here. Say you made a salad and you have some extra cucumbers left over. This is perfect for that. Pineapple juice. I like to buy these little cans because I never drink a lot of pineapple juice, but these are perfect for making a little cocktail. Club soda, ice of course, and you're good to go. So let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our cucumber, and this is just a regular potato peeler, nothing crazy, and you're going to start at one end, press down so it's really a thicker piece, and peel. There you go. This we do not need actually. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, so you want one that has like some color on the side so you clearly know it's a cucumber, and very thin. So this is probably the one I'm going to use, and I'll show you guys what I'll do with it later. So we're just going to leave this to the side here. Then we're going to cut a few pieces of cucumber, about like 7 or 8 slices here. And then you're going to take them all and you're going to drop them in your glass. Just drop them in, drop them in, drop them in. Then you're going to take your mint leaves here, just a few, drop them in. Those are about 3 leaves, so you guys should have some left over from last week. I'm going to take our muddler here and smush it all in there. You might need to add a little bit of pineapple juice so that there's some liquid in there so it's easier to muddle. Just a few drops. And then you're just going to get it all in there. This time around, you can go ham. You can literally smush it all up. You want it all to be, got some anger you want to get out? Now is the time. Now you're going to take your shaker. I've already got some ice in there. You're just going to add in your muddled up cucumber and lime. Just drop it on top. Back to our jigger. We're going to do 2 ounces or 2 shots of our Titos. Drop it in there. Before we start shaking, I'm going to take this glass, take our cute little cucumber peel, and you're going to put it in there. Because cucumber is so watery, it should stick. You should be good to go. And then you're just going to leave it. Okay, so now we're going to take our shaker here, put on top, the top, and shake like crazy. This time I want you to really shake it hard because you want that cucumber flavor, that mint flavor, and the water in there to just make it all amazing. So shake it up. So we have our ice here. Be careful with your ice because you don't want to mess up our cute little ribbons that we've already made. So just drop a few in there. Then we're going to take our pineapple juice and we're going to pour some of that in there. Also be very careful because you don't want to mess up our little ribbons. So you got the pineapple at the bottom. Just adds a little bit of sweetness because as you can see, we didn't add any type of sugar or anything to this drink previously. So this is all shaken up. I'm gonna pour this on top. There's definitely enough in there. And then you're just gonna top that off with some club soda. This is like the prettiest drink I've ever made. We have some extra mint left over. And put that in there. Let's do one more of our cucumber. It looks like, I cannot wait to sit on my balcony and sip on this. But since we're here, I gotta try it. So I'll let you guys know. I literally feel like I need to be on the beach right now. Super duper refreshing. Has the hint of the sweetness from our pineapple juice down there. So, so good. If you need to unwind, decompress, this is it right here. It tastes so good. And of course with our Tito's here, perfect match.